Due to an overwhelming response from our Chev Clearout, we've added even more vehicles to our year-end clearance. We will be updating our website each week with new vehicles and discounts. This best-selling 2500 is on clearance with a total discount of $15,000 off MSRP. This crew cab high country diesel comes in this special night shift interior. Summer has come to an end and prices on convertibles at Chev have hit rock bottom. That's right. This 2024 Camaro 2LT convertible has a $3,500 discount with performance exhaust, upgraded 20-inch wheels, and the RS package. This Camaro is ready for driving off the lot. Double demo discounts are in place at Chev on this GMC Terrain. This all-wheel drive vehicle in Summit White was a demo on the Chev lot with 13,000 kilometers and a discount of $4,000 off MSRP. Plus, 0% financing continues on select in-stock trucks this month. Or if you are looking for a full-size SUV or HD truck, employee pricing remains. Visit ganchev.ca or text our team at 613-382-2168.